Hi guys, this is Sylvia at Busy Art, and this is the design for today, and it's where Jonah is angry with God because he sent a worm to destroy the plant that he was getting shade under, and this is the design, and this is how we make it. So this is my original. I'll put that one down there, and with this one what I've done is there's a line here which I've used a craft knife, so you can get your folks to just cut down there, put something underneath it, a piece of heavy card or something, just to cut down that line there, so you can slot the little thicker piece of card through. Okay, and what else have I done? I haven't done these yet. So I'll fold this one over on this dotted line here and there. Fold those down. And then I fold this one on the dotted line. So I'll pinch this bit together here on the dotted line, get that in place, and then pinch this together on the dotted line. So then I can just put that down like that, fold it across. So that's that one. What's my original? Yeah, that's folded down. Okay, so then I've got a piece of card. It's just a piece of card that will slot through this slot here. And it's from this is done on, I photocopied it on 160 gram, like this one, 160 gram card, but this is much thicker card, and that's quite robust to go through here. So what I'll do is I'll stick that down in a minute, stick that down to there in a minute, but I'll slot this one through here, like that, and then I need to, on this one, I need to stick down the little caterpillar thing. Stick that one down at the base here. Oops, get it upright so it will go. You can stick the top piece onto your piece of card, and then I'll move the card right up so that it gets the top of the caterpillar, and then I can stick him down like that, make sure he moves all right. Ooh. There, he moves now. And then I can stick this piece down here. I think that piece is all right, unstuck. And then just fold that down so it's nice and firm. And then you've got your ta-da! Well, I'm sure you have fun doing that and doing the little buggy thing. God bless and see you next time.